But in some companies, guys 15 to 17-year experience, top of their game, the best product leaders can easily earn between 2 to 3 crores in only salary. We have seen in many cases where an individual has cleared 6 rounds of interviews but screwed up the assignment.
Right.
So it is that critical in the hiring decision.
Hey guys, welcome to the Alt Unique Career Show. This is that one place where we demystify all the basic questions around your career. The idea is that we spend as much time thinking about our careers as much we spend, taking important decisions in our life, like who we want to date, who we want to get married to, what kind of house we want to buy, what kind of car we want to buy. We believe that career is a big enabler in the quality of life that you live. We hope that this show helps you in making better choices in your life. We have Supreet Singh with us today, who is the founding partner at Native, and he is going to help us decipher the world of product management today. So Supreet, you were talking about this interesting research that you guys have done at Native and talking about some numbers that really made me jump in my seat. तो आप बताइए उसके बारे में.
So at Native, Ankit, we regularly take research projects for various careers, various functions for our clients. On product management career, we had taken up the last research around 2.5 years back.
Right.
We focused on top 30 startups in India. As an output of this research, we found that in these top 30 startups, all of them were technology led. There were 1,000 product leaders and product managers at mid and senior level.
Right.
People with around 5-year plus experience, and around 2.5 to 3,000 product managers who were junior
Right.
product managers. पिछले 2.5 साल में, given the growth and especially post COVID, this number has only doubled. So you can imagine, given today we have a few hundred, maybe some early 1,000 early to mature startups in India, what would that number be?
अभी तो 100 यूनिकॉर्न्स तो इंडिया के होते
100 यूनिकॉर्न्स हैं और एस्टिमेट है कि करीब 400 के आसपास सूनिकॉर्न्स हैं. आई थिंक द नंबर फॉर स्टार्टअप्स एट लार्ज हु रेज्ड some amount of institutional funding will clearly be above 1,000.
Right.
So you can imagine the number of product managers in India, right? Best to my estimate, there will be 15 to 20,000 product managers in India. और वो ग्रोथ 2 वजह से हो रहा है. जो बड़ी कंपनीज हैं, यूनिकॉर्न्स एंड सूनिकॉर्न्स, they are growing, and every 3 years you will see, 3-4 years they will double their headcount.
Right.
In some cases, younger companies will double their headcount every 18-24 months. और हर साल there are new startups that are coming up. Even today when there is a funding winter, large companies are struggling to make money.
Right.
We continue to see healthy investments in early stage companies. So younger companies which are doing a pre-seed, series A kind of rounds, they continue to get invested. और अगले 1-2 साल में ये सब 2-3 साल में ये सब कंपनीज बड़ी हो जाएंगी. तो need and demand for product managers is continuing to explode, right? Not only large companies which are growing faster, as well as smaller companies which are now setting up and are aggressively hiring to set up their teams.
तो एक मैं तो कुछ तो आपके रिसर्च में देख रहा था, आप बता रहे थे कुछ 3 करोड़ का नंबर. वेयर डज दैट 3 करोड़ नंबर फिट इन?
हम लोग एट नेटिव we also focus on a lot of leadership hiring, primarily focus on leadership hiring. Right. For India. A chief product officer or a very senior leader in product management function, not all of them, but in some companies, guys 15 to 17-year experience, top of their game, the best product leaders, can easily earn between 2 to 3 crores in only salary.
Right.
और अगर उनकी किस्मत अच्छी है, they also get a lot of money in ESOPs, and if that ESOP actually clicks, अभी मार्केट थोड़ा डाउन है इन द टेक स्पेस, सो द स्टॉक्स ऑफ टेक कंपनीज हैव काइंड ऑफ रिड्यूस्ड, बट दैट्स अ शॉर्ट टर्म फिनोमिना, राइट? इन स्टॉक्स आई हैव कम अक्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लीडर्स which can end up making anything between 40 to 60 crores in stocks, right? In ESOPs. Senior and mid management product professionals, it gives you an indication the kind of money that they make.
तो अभी आपने सिर्फ स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में बातें की. क्या आपको लगता है कि जो ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज है, द लार्ज कंग्लोमरेट्स व्हिच आर देयर इन इंडिया, आर दे आल्सो नाउ हायरिंग प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स इन बिग नंबर्स, और आर दे सेटिंग अप एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल डिजाइन जहाँ पे वो और भी प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स को हायर करेंगे इन द कमिंग ईयर्स, और वो किस तरह से चेंज हो रहा है, आपको मैंडेट्स मिल रही है क्या उस टाइप की, लाइक व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन दैट स्पेस. तो ऑल्ट्यूनी में जितने भी लोग एनरोल करते हैं या अभी हमारे आने वाले प्रोग्राम में भी एनरोल करेंगे, उनके लिए तो ये ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ये करियर के ऑप्शंस बहुत ज़्यादा हो मार्केट में, राइट? अभी आप स्टार्टअप्स की बात कर रहे हैं, स्टार्टअप्स बहुत सारी फायरिंग हो रही है बहुत सारी जगह पे, देयर आर ले ऑफ्स एवरीवेयर, तो थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. तो ये डर मिटाने के लिए अब सबको पता चल रहा है कि जो कंपनियां 100 साल से चल रही है, 50 साल से चल रही है, उनकी कीमत क्या है.
करेक्ट.
कि वहाँ पे आप काम करते हो तो आपको स्टेबिलिटी मिलती है, आप वहाँ पे लंबा कर सकते हो काम. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट एज अ वोकेशन विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट इन दीज लार्ज कंपनीज, एंड हेंस in a way as an alt-uni student or a student at any of the digital universities or physical universities thinking about product management, am I hedging my bets properly enough? तो उसके बारे में आपको क्या लगता है? What is the outlook there? Are the large companies, the Reliances and the ITCs and the Infosys of the world, I mean, is this a legit career option if eventually I have to end up there?
Correct. जो layoffs हो रहे हैं अभी startups में, you will be surprised to know that product management is amongst the least impacted career.
Oh wow.
I have rarely come across a company which has laid off its product managers.
Interesting.
Right? Layoffs are happening in very different functions, but product management is clearly not one of the impacted careers. In bits and pockets it may be happening.
Right.
So it tells you about the resilience and how solid the demand for product managers is.
Right.
A good product manager, a company will never let go.
Got it.
Right. आपका दूसरा सवाल था कि ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज में, कॉन्ग्लोमरेट्स में, कंपनीज विच आर स्टेबल, हैव बीन कंसिस्टेंटली ग्रोइंग, हैव बीन प्रॉफिटेबल, वहाँ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट की क्या डिमांड है? इन द लास्ट 2 years, कोविड के बाद, वी हैव सीन मैसिव डिमांड फॉर प्रोडक्ट डिजिटाइजेशन प्रोफेशनल्स इन दीज कंपनीज. अगर आप ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज को देखें, सो राइट नाउ इफ most companies feel threatened that how these new age tech first aggressive companies funded by venture capital, how will they impact their business? Will they be disrupted, right? So you saw what happened to travel agencies, what happened to retail companies through e-commerce. So हर बोर्ड रूम में इंडिया के या दुनिया के इस समय यही एक डिस्कशन है कि हाँ, हाउ आर वी यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, आर वी प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर बिजनेस that tomorrow a startup does not come up in our space and does not disrupt. So as a result of this, almost all companies are investing now in digitization, in using more technology to protect and make their companies more efficient. पिछले 1-1.5 साल में the fastest area which we have experienced as a company, as a recruitment and executive search firm, is need for digitization, product management and technology professionals इन ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज, राइट? वो अलग अलग तरीके से करते हैं. वो अपने कंपनी में कुछ लीडर्स को हायर करते हैं. मैनी ऑफ दोज ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज आर सेटिंग अप न्यू वेंचर्स विच आर टेक फर्स्ट, विच आर डिजिटल. सो इवन इन ट्रेडिशनल कंपनीज आई सी इन द कमिंग फ्यू ईयर्स द नीड फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स, एंड जनरली एनी टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डिजिटल प्रोफेशनल will continue to be on the high side. So that pace in traditional companies is not as fast. Right. It is not as aggressive. The numbers are not as large as they are for startups.
VC backed high growth kind of
companies में ज़्यादा होता है, right? लेकिन जो ट्रेंड 5 साल पहले बिल्कुल भी नहीं था, वो पिछले 5 साल से और ज़्यादा पिछले 2 साल से हमने देखा है. मुझे ये लगता है कि आने वाले सालों में वो पेस बढ़ने वाला है.
So all of this is fine. Now the question is, मैं शुरुआत कहाँ से करूँ?
So अगर आप किसी Tier 1 इंजीनियरिंग या MBA कॉलेज से हैं, it is relatively easier for you because some of the best startups and technology companies hire their first level of product managers from engineering colleges, top tier engineering
well,
colleges.
Immediately after, as a fresher, I can get into PM. Correct. If I am in, say, IIT Delhi.
Product analyst, associate product manager, those careers you get to start from campus. Okay. Right? So a Flipkart or any other meaningful startup, right? Many other meaningful startups will come to your campus and will have a management trainee program. आपको वो hire करेंगे, train करेंगे on fundamentals of product management. But this opportunity is only available to, they will typically go to campuses which are top tier engineering colleges and top tier MBA colleges.
Right.
If you are not one of those, if you are in a tier 2 or a tier 3 engineering college or maybe even a MBA college, then you will still find opportunities, less so from campus. So whether you are a fresher, whether you have a few years of experience, you can still get a break in product management, right? There are 2-3 kind of people or kind of professionals who can get a relatively easier break. If you are in a role which is high on data, which is high on marketing, जिनको एक यूज़र बिहेवियर का अच्छा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, अच्छा नॉलेज है, वो आज अपने रोल में उसको एक्सटेंसिवली यूज़ करते हैं. अगर आप एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हैं, राइट, बिकॉज एक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का जॉब इन तीनों का ओवरलैप होता है, राइट?
डेटा, कंज्यूमर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर.
डेटा, कंज्यूमर एंड इंजीनियरिंग प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट,
श्योर,
राइट? सो अगर आप इन तीनों में से किसी भी एरिया में हैं तो आपके लिए रिलेटिवली ईजियर हो जाता है टू बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर. द रोल ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इज एक्सट्रीमली हाई ऑन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी, राइट? तो अगर आप एक कंज्यूमर इनसाइट कंपनी में हैं बट आपको डेटा समझ में नहीं आता, इट विल बी हार्ड फॉर यू. इफ़ यू आर अ डेटा बेस्ड, अगर आपको डेटा बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आता है, आप डेटा बेस इनसाइट डिसीजन मेकिंग कर सकते हैं, बट आपको सॉफ्टवेयर बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट का प्रोसेस समझ में नहीं आता, यू विल फाइंड इट हार्ड, राइट? तो आपको किसी तीनों में से एक चीज़ की अच्छी नॉलेज और बाकी 2 फंक्शंस की में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. So then you can get a break and grow as a product manager.
So if I've understood this correctly, if I'm a fresher and if I'm not from the top tier IITs, IIMs or any other similar league of colleges, then I should maybe look for a job in a stream that will enable me to get into either, like you said, user insights, data, or understanding of engineering product management, because it's possible that I may still not get a product analyst role, right, because I'm not from one of those colleges. तो मुझे वो कितना 2 साल 3 साल पहले कहीं गुजारने पड़ेंगे और फिर मैं प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में घुस सकता हूँ. इज माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग करेक्ट?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. सो आप किसी एक करियर में आप एटलीस्ट बेसिक समझ लीजिए और उसके बाद देर आर वेज टू गेट अ ब्रेक इन टू प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, राइट? सो आई डू बिलीव दैट अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू एज alternate programs, right, which are primarily online. Altuni also has a program apparently, but there are many other such programs. That program essentially helps you understand fundamental of product management, helps you work on some pseudo problem statements, which जहाँ से आपको समझ में आता है प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर करता क्या है, क्या बेसिक्स होते हैं, क्या टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, आप कुछ केस स्टडीज़ पे काम करते हैं. That is a very clear first and early start, right? If you display high level of keenness, if you display deeper understanding of product management through these programs, then sometimes you also get a break right from these online degree and certification programs, because companies visit them and hire from their freshers and their graduates.
Thanks for talking about alternative online places where you can do this. The one distinction I must say though is that at Altuni, we give you live projects. They are not necessarily pseudo problem statements. So we have tie-ups with actual startups and large companies who offer real business problems for our cohort students to solve. So please, I just wanted to make sure I tell you that. So the thing is that अभी अगर मैं नहीं हूँ टॉप टियर MBA कॉलेजेस से, मैंने अभी अपना करियर किया है से इंश्योरेंस में, या मैंने अपना करियर किया है इन अ वेरी वेरी अनरिलेटेड इंडस्ट्री, एंड आई स्टिल वांट टू एंड अप गेटिंग इनटू प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, एंड आई मे हैव इवन डन व्हाट यू आस्क्ड मी टू डू, और व्हाट इज अ बेटर वे टू accelerate my product management career, because I can always hope, but that may not actually work for me. So what is the alternative way to approach this?
हाँ, तो हमने इसके बारे में कुछ बात की that tier 1 companies pick up most of their product trainees from tier 1 campuses, right? आप एक Flipkart, Amazon का आपने नाम लिया. Let's say Amazon or Flipkart has put a job on one of the job portal that they are hiring for a product manager. You won't believe the recruiter on the other side will get applications, if not hundreds, if not thousand, definitely in hundreds.
Right.
It is not humanly possible for him to sift through all of those applications
Correct.
and take a decision whether this guy is right or wrong. The safer bet, if you are not from a top tier pedigree, if you do not have a relevant background already in that space, the safer bet for such professionals is to apply to companies which are younger in nature. Younger in nature also means, let's say, somebody who has no background in product management. They are also not from top tier college. They have done some basic work in these 3-4
Right.
functions that we spoke about. I think it will be a lot more easier for them to look for a job in a company and apply to companies which are between 10 to 100 people.
Right.
They have raised their seed round, their pre-series A, series A. Because founders in these companies do not find it so easy
Right.
to hire the best product managers. They cannot offer that kind of compensation, right? Let's be honest. So they are relatively more open to hire people who have the capability
Right.
and can learn product management with them, right? So if I was in a seat of an individual, which I'm not from a top tier B school.
Right.
I have no job, I have no background in product management. And if I was 10, 15 years younger, if I had to look for a job, I will apply to companies which have raised between 2 crores to 20 crores. I will look for funding rounds, right?
Right.
I will look for, I will read Economic Times, I will subscribe to various funding news
Right.
alerts companies and see, okay, this company has already received funding. I will reach out to the founder of that company on LinkedIn,
Right.
right? That I want to build a career in product management. Will you give me a break? I will look for jobs on various job portals by these relatively unknown companies, right? Now, देखो रियलिटी क्या है कि यहाँ पे रिस्क भी ज़्यादा होता है.
Of course.
ऐसी कंपनीज the possibility of them becoming very large is also relatively less. Only 1 out of 20, 30, 100 such company becomes large. But at least what they are more willing to do is help you learn, coach, help. They are open to experiments when it comes to people, right? Do not run after brands and big brands. Talk to the founder, look at the business. If you believe that business has potential to succeed, if the founders are good, younger companies are also great career starters. And later in years, you can navigate. आप आपने 2 साल प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में एक जगह काम कर लिया, कोई भी कंपनी हो, तो उसके बाद आपके रास्ते खुल जाते हैं. इट इज ईजियर फॉर यू टू नेविगेट.
या और ऐसे भी चांस लेना है तो यू कुड टेक अ चांस ऑन अ स्मॉल कंपनी एज वेल. अगर बड़ी बन गई तो शायद मुझे लगता है वो 40-60 करोड़ का आपने नंबर दिया तो शायद 400-600 करोड़ भी बन सकती है.
हाँ,
If
अगर
it really
आपने-
is a big.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. अगर आपने एक पोटेंशियल यूनिकॉर्न में बहुत जल्दी ज्वाइन किया और आप सीनियर लेवल पे हैं और ओवर द ईयर यू कैन मेक अनइमेजिनेबल मनी.
Great. So one last question, Supreet, that I had is that अभी आप इतने फाउंडर्स से मिलते हैं, इतनी कंपनीज से के CHRO से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड हायरिंग का डिस्कशन होता है, इज द सेक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट इज अ स्किल एंड अ डोमेन विच कैन बी अप्लॉयड अक्रॉस वेरियस सेक्टर्स. अभी जैसे when I look at it from a distance, okay, like we are an edtech company, we are never going to have say lakhs of transactions every day because we have a high ticket size. So obviously the number of transactions that take place are different, and hence the way the entire product is designed is very different versus say a high frequency platform, you know, like a food delivery platform or an e-commerce platform where, you know, maybe orders come every 10 minutes
और a payments platform.
or every 10 seconds, or a payments platform, right? Obviously the experience that a product manager has is obviously going to be very, very different, right? So does it make sense to build a career in a particular sector? कि भाई मैं fintech का product manager बनता हूँ, या मैं edtech का product manager बनता हूँ, या मैं e-commerce का product manager बनता हूँ. What are your views on that?
हमारी कंपनी has worked on hundreds of product management roles, right? 90% of the cases when a role comes to us and a company wants to hire a product manager or a leader, they do not have any sector bias.
अच्छा.
So a fintech company is happy to hire from edtech. A e-commerce company is happy to hire from a mobility company, so on and so forth, right? Maybe in 10% cases, we have seen that a founder or a product management leader wants to hire from a certain sector only. राइट. सो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में 2 टाइप के प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं. या तो आप फ्रंट एंड प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट मैनेजर बनते हैं, आप बैक एंड प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर बनते हैं, आप बैक एंड प्रॉब्लम्स पे काम करते हैं जो कंपनी के लिए इंटरनल होती हैं, दे आर नॉट कंज्यूमर फेसिंग. And third is the data analytics or analytics oriented product managers. For companies, when they hire professionals in product management function, it is that skill, which is a horizontal skill, is what is important. It is not the vertical. In which vertical of the industry have you worked in? As I said, 90% of the cases. There are some cases in which founders and that companies are more specific.
So, Supreet, before we leave, any one last thing that you want to tell anyone who is going to appear for a product management interview or is preparing to apply to companies, what would it be?
Yeah, so Ankit, I have been surprised on how less people research about a company before they appear for an interview. General advice, किसी भी करियर में, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में, किसी भी लेवल पे अगर आप एक इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं, स्पेंड सम टाइम एंड एनर्जी टू रिसर्च एंड अंडरस्टैंड दैट कंपनी एज अ रिस्पेक्ट टू द प्रोफेशनल दैट यू आर मीटिंग, राइट? बट दिस इज सिग्निफिकेंटली मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट in product management interviews. Companies which are gold standard in product management, which are most respected for product management, will always give you an assignment on, if you were on this side of the table, if you were already a product manager of my company, what would you do to improve this product?
Correct.
And they ask you to submit a formal assignment.
Right.
We have seen in many cases where an individual has cleared 6 rounds of interviews but screwed up the assignment.
Right.
So it is that critical in the hiring decision for most good companies. In almost every interview or in most interviews for product management, they will ask that what would you do to improve our product? So understand that company, understand the product of that company deeply, and at least in your mind, answer this question that I was the product manager and if I was to make any changes, what would I do? Many people don't do it, and I think it's a must.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us for this episode. I hope that the first episode of the Altuni Career Show was useful. Do also check out altuni.in and sign up for our certificate program in product management. The cohort starts soon and you get a guaranteed live project, which is live. It's a real business problem to solve as a part of the program. And be part of the Altuni alumni community. And there's something exciting coming your way. Students who sign up for various programs on Altuni now also get a chance to participate in a global immersion. So we are actually going to take the top performing Altuni candidates abroad for an industrial immersion. It's a one of its kind feature that we've added to the program. So please do check the various programs on Altuni. We have programs in supply chain and operations, digital marketing, product management, data science, and we work with some of the biggest companies in the country and the world. The likes of Unilever, Decathlon, Tata Click, Aditya Birla Capital have all been associated with Altuni.